Well, it's finally time to turn the new eye candy pigments, the neons. I made this blank now almost a week ago. Really looking forward to getting into this one. I don't know what's going to be in store once we get inside it. I do know there's a nice piece of burl inside there. So let's give it a go. I am going to bring up some tailstock support just for a little while. The coloured ribbons that are coming off this are absolutely amazing. All I'm doing at the moment is I'm just getting the ball to some type of shape, and yeah. I'm just defining the foot area at the moment. What I'm trying to do here is get rid of all of the resin that's on that bottom piece, because I really would like it to be all just pure burr, whatever you want to call it. Now just making the recess or the mortise with the detailing tool from Easy Wood Tools. And now sanding from 120 up to 240, because I'm just at the moment I'm just looking at the wood, so I'm going to be hitting it here in a little while with some Yorkshire grit. Now hitting it with the Yorkshire grit, only really concentrating on the wood aspect of the bottom of this bowl at this point in time. There's the Yorkshire grit done. Now applying a coat of microcrystalline wax. Now just flip it around to start defining the overall shape, which I'll tell you what that shape is in just a minute. When I first started recording this, and I put it on the lathe, and I'm like, right, what am I going to do? And obviously camera's recording. I thought, right, well, I can use some of this audio, save having to do a voice over. And I went, right, actually, Jamie, Wayne, this may or may not be a dog bowl. I'm going to keep that in. Just hogging out the middle at the moment with the number 1 hollower from Easy Wood Tools. I am using the negative rake carbide cutters on this one because it's resin and burl. And now again, I'm just going to start at 120, work up to 400 dry sanding, and now I've just switched to 400 wet sanding, which I will continue to do to 1200. Now again, going back to the Yorkshire Girt original. So now we're quickly on to the microfine. Microcrystalline wax. I applied 2 coats of this microcrystalline wax and it gave it an awesome finish. Really happy with how these colours came out. Wow. Wow. I'm blown away with these colours. Absolutely blown away. So if you like what you see, please do hit the thumbs up, and you know, if you don't mind, leave a comment in the at the end. Thank you very much.